Meralco customers can look forward to paying less for their electricity consumption for the month of May. The power firm has just announced a 5 centavo per kilowatt-hour cut in electricity rates. George Bandola reports.
Electricity costs will go down this month. Manila Electric Company says the reduction was due to the measures implemented by the company last month and to the operation of 2 interim power plants contracted by the Meralco through the interim power supply agreement and the resumption of operation of the Ilihan power plant that gave a wider supply for the Luzon grid.
Buti na lamang meron kaming mga pinatupad na hakbangin na sa pakikipagtulungan na rin sa mga kinauukulan para maibsan yung pagsipa ng rates. Sumatotal nga, pagbawas sa singil ng kuryente ang mararanasan ng ating mga customers ngayong buwan ng Mayo. Yung reduction na ito, itong bawas singil na ito, tulad po na nabanggit ko, naman ngayong Mayo. Ngayon, ang dahilan ho nitong bawas singil ay ang sumusunod. Bumabaho yung transmission charge, nagkaroon din ho ng pagbaba sa level ng system loss at gayon din po sa lifeline subsidy.
Under the interim power supply agreement, the power plants in Bawang La Union and in Bataan with a total capacity of 410 megawatts started operation last April 3. Meralco opts to contract other power producers which are cheaper than the wholesale electricity spot market. Meralco is also reducing its dependency on WESM.
The possibility of rates being higher, the gen charge being higher, were it not for the IPSA is always there, no? Kaya nga kami nakipagkontrata dito sa mga interim power supply agreements specifically para yung pagkuha sa WESM ay mabawasan.
Meanwhile, because of the electricity prices volatility, the Department of Energy has come up with a plan to oversee Meralco's pricing.
We've asked them to explain ano ba ang strategy ninyo. Okay, with your contracting at your Sure, that's what we're looking at right now. Kumbaga, did you optimize your contracting and exposure to SM? That's what they need to explain to the OE.
For People's Television, George Bandola.